It's day 16, and there's only 5 more days left to go. Today, we're talking about the MAP method and solving the day 16 challenge of the 21-day coding challenge by Lighthouse Labs. Getting right into it, the MAP method takes 3 parameter values: the current value, the index, and the array. But wait a second, doesn't this sound a lot like yesterday's method for each? The difference between the two is that the map method returns a new array with the values of the returns, while the for each method just iterates through the arrays. So before any of this gets confusing, let's take a look at an example. We're given an array of numbers and we're mapping through them. The function takes the current value and multiplies it by 2 and returns it. What ends up happening is that the first index with the value of 45 becomes 90, the second index becomes 8, the third 18, the fourth 32, and the fifth 50. It's important to note that the original array, numbers 1, does not get modified. Instead, a new array is created with these values and assigned to the variable numbers 2. You'll notice in the function myFunction, we included 3 parameters: value, index, and array. Value is just the current value of the element we're evaluating. The index is the index of the element starting at 0, and the array is the entire array, including all elements. In summary, use the map method when you need to do something to the elements and return a new array, and use the for each method when you just need to iterate through the array. And with that, let's get into the day 16 challenge. In today's challenge, we're tasked with calculating split complementary colors. I'm no color expert, and I wouldn't know where to begin in terms of doing this, but luckily we're provided with a link to a website with some formulas. I copy and paste these formulas into the code, using them as a reference to move forward. The formulas take a color, then perform math against it to calculate these colors. The pipes indicate an absolute value, and I guess the math object has an absolute function that will take negative numbers and turn them into positive numbers. Math.abs seems to get me what I want. Then it's just following the formulas. I take the results of the new colors and follow the expected output, creating an array with 2 indexes which represent each color. Testing this fails, with the output of my variables need to come smallest first, contrary to the example provided to us. Additionally, taking a closer look at the test results, it looks like I don't need to add 360 to my formulas. A few updates, a submit, and I've completed the day 16 challenge. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you tomorrow.